Unlock your financial independence with RegenaLife Market's affiliate program. It's all about empowerment, control, freedom, earnings, opportunity, simplicity. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? At RegenaLife Market, we understand your desire for financial independence and personal empowerment. Our affiliate program offers a unique opportunity for you to build a real business from the comfort of your home. No more waiting for opportunities to come to you. It's time to create your own success. Whether you're looking to boost your savings or escape the confines of a 9-to-5 job, the path to financial freedom is just a few clicks away. Imagine a life where you control your time, your money, and your future. You deserve more than just getting by. You deserve a life where your hard work pays off. Shop, share, and earn. Get paid weekly for your referrals. Earn commissions on your personal orders. Start your earning journey today with RegenaLife Market.